Seated machine shoulder press, excellent mass building exercise for the entire shoulder. It target the tricep and upper chest muscle along with the deltoids. After adjusting the seat of the machine according to your height, sit on the machine with the support of the back and hold the handle equally to width of the shoulder. Press the handle upward until your entire arms become straight. Then after squeezing the shoulder muscle, slowly bringing the handle to the starting position. Do 3 sets of these and 10 to 12 repetitions. Barbell upright row, focusing on traps and deltoid and also engage the bicep. Hold the barbell with the grip slightly narrow than shoulder width. Then stand with your feet shoulder width apart, keeping the body stable. Lift the barbell straight toward your chin and then slowly bringing it to the starting position. While performing this, try to keep your elbow above the wrist. Do 3 sets of these and 10 to 12 repetitions. Cable reverse fly, target muscle real deltoid. Stand in the middle of the cross cable machine with the handle set the shoulder height and hold the handle with both hands, keeping the hands straight and the elbow slightly bent. Pull the handle to the side in reverse fly position, then hold it for 1 second and squeeze the real deltoid muscle. Then controlling the speed, bringing the handle forward to the starting position. Do 3 sets and 10 to 12 repetitions. Seated barbell shoulder press. Like a machine shoulder press, it also targets the entire shoulder muscle. Performing with the barbell also allow a greater range of motion. Stand straight or sit on the bench with back supported and hold the barbell at shoulder height equally to width of the shoulder. Then with control form, press the barbell over your head until your shoulder muscle squeezed and then with control lower the barbell to the shoulder height. By performing on sitting, your body remains stable, due to which you can perform this exercise easily. Do 3 sets and 10 to 12 repetitions. Dumbbell lateral raises. Target the lateral deltoid muscle to isolate and grow the wider shoulder. Stand straight or sit on the bench holding a lightweight dumbbell in both hands. Bending your elbow slightly, lift the dumbbell out to the side until your dumbbell reach shoulder level and then after holding for 1 second, slowly bringing the dumbbell to the starting position. Do 3 sets and 12 to 15 repetitions and add a 1 drop set in the last so that your entire shoulder muscle get good pumped. Machine shrugs primarily target the trapezius muscle, which build thickness and strengthening the upper back and neck. Selecting a heavyweight plate, stand in the middle of the shrugs machine and hold the machine handle with both hands. Then lift your shoulder toward your ears as much as possible, hold it for 1 to 2 seconds and then slowly bringing it back to the starting position. If this machine is not available in your gym, then you can perform it with the dumbbell and do 4 sets and 10 to 12 repetitions.